Henan Jianshen Metal Material Company Limited, established in 2001, is a comprehensive modern high-end pressure vessel manufacturer, integrating R&D, production, sales and service. The company is located in the west section of Jianshen Avenue, Anyang City, covering an area of 200,000 square meters. The main workshop covers an area of 60,000 square meters and has more than 200 employees. Our main products: LPG storage tanks, LPG skid-mounted gas stations, LNG storage tanks, oxygen and nitrogen argon storage tanks, carbon dioxide storage tanks, gasoline diesel storage tank, vacuum-insulated cryogenic pressure vessels, liquid ammonia storage tank products, oil boilers, organic heat carrier boilers, waste heat boilers. We have strong economic strength, perfect technology and equipment, and a strong new product development capability. It has more than 180 processing equipment and 100-ton equipment lifting capacity. The cutting equipment includes CNC cutting machine, milling machine, coiling machine, semi-automatic cutting machine, and plasma cutting machine. Welding equipment includes submerged arc automatic welding operation machine, automatic argon arc tube plate welding machine, carbon dioxide gas-shielded welding machine, argon arc welding machine. Testing equipment including ultrasonic thickness gauge, ultrasonic flaw detection. We keep a close eye on the market, constantly innovate, and provide customers with one-stop products, services, and solutions around the customer demand. We have obtained the 1, 2, 3 pressure vessel design license, manufacturing license, pressure pipe installation license issued by China Quality and Technical Supervision Bureau, and ISO ASME International Quality Certification. Elites from different fields have formed an excellent team, integrating production, research, procurement, technology, and sales management. Our international sales team and perfect after-sales service team provide tailor-made services. We always test our quality in the international market and win credit with customer evaluation. We have self-support import and export rights, and products are exported to Russia, Japan, South Korea, India, Southeast Asia, Africa, South America, Latin America, Europe, and other countries and regions, getting good reputation from users. We have a sound quality control system, and the production process is supervised and inspected by technical supervision agencies. We provide satisfactory products on the basis of strict quality. Designers can customize the product size according to the different requirements of customers. From 5 to 200 CPM can be customized. In the after-sales service, there's a professional technical team to maintain the after-sales service of the products. The equipment installation is connected by means of signs and points, and the technicians are dispatched to the site to guide the installation to ensure the efficient use of the products. We continue to adhere to the corporate tenet of establish a brand with quality and establish satisfaction with service, and strives for the efficient use of consumers with standardized management, professional design, and scientific and high-quality construction.